we respect the jury's verdict. It happens in this business, but it was really devastating for Hannah and really shocking.
Tonight we're hearing from the attorney of Rust Armorer, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed. This one day after a jury found her guilty of involuntary manslaughter for the death of Halyna Hutchins.
Action 7 News reporter John Cardinelli found out Jason Bowles will be appealing the conviction.
Yeah, that's right, Shelley and Doug. Bowles sat down with me this afternoon, and a lot of the interview centered around why he'll be appealing, and it really boils down to three main factors. Attorney Jason Bowles is not happy with the verdict for his client, Rust Armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed.
Yeah, obviously we're disappointed. It was shocking. We felt like the evidence supported a not guilty across the board.
So yesterday you mentioned that you plan on making an appeal. What specifically do you plan on appealing?
The chief point that we are going to appeal is the jury instruction issue. We felt like this case, the way the jury instructions were worded, became more of a civil negligence case.
Bowles says in a civil negligence case, the burden of proof is less than a criminal case.
But I think we're going to go back and appeal, cite that case law, and it has to be a higher burden in a criminal case. I think that's the whole issue. I think that dictates the result.
So they set the bar lower.
I think the bar was lower than it should have been based on the jury instructions. Again, I respect the judge's decision, but that's going to be appealed.
But that's not all Bowles plans on appealing.
Now, we spoke a couple weeks back, right, and you were planning on filing a writ to the state Supreme Court regarding text messages that were handed over to Seth Kenney. Where are you in that process?
That's going to be another part of our appeal. Attorney-client material was sent to Seth Kenney, who, as you saw in the trial, was one of the chief witnesses for the government. Absolutely unfair aspect of this trial.
Bowles also says he'll be appealing a decision made by the judge which didn't allow him to mention testimony from the Office of the Medical Investigator in his closing argument.
Why weren't you allowed to?
The judge ruled that because of the other portion that the doctor said she wasn't an expert in the field, we could not get into it at all. But then the prosecutor talked about it in her closing, so I just didn't feel like that was fair. It has to be a fair thing. If neither side gets to say it, that's fine.
During that testimony, it was revealed that cinematographer Halyna Hutchins wasn't treated properly and could have possibly survived the shooting.
That's going to be a big issue in Baldwin's trial on this medical side, and I felt like we should have been able to tell the jury that, and we weren't allowed to.
Reached out to Special Prosecutor Carrie Morrissey for an interview, but we didn't hear back from her. I'm John Cardinelli reporting, KOAT Action 7 News.